version. Don't press the button. In my face, I love it. I want to keep it forever. Oh. Lego, press the button. Lego. Lego. Oh my god. You okay? Bang, bang. Ari, are you coming? Oh! Do. Oh god.
Oh gosh.
I'm gonna
What
get.
happened to your face?
I don't know. Bang, 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 bang. I want to press button. Oh.
What?
Oh, darn it. I'm like a big fan of this one. Oh, did you find it? You're like frozen on my screen.
Oh my god, it's
There's falling noobs and they have the exact same face. What is wrong with you? Can you reset? Or I'm gonna have to reset. I'm just gonna reset.
You're walking fine.
No, you're not. You're walking so weirdly. Okay. I'm just gonna reset because I like to. Yeah. You're still like that, so you have to reset. Look at where. Oh my god. Oh wait, where'd she go? Oh, she's there.
Am I walking weird?
Quick, go to one other. I feel like we're in the wrong choice. So this is like 4 corners. I knew it! I double jinxed myself. I jinxed myself in my head. Let's see what Abby's going. I feel like this is the Hunger Games. You did it again. Got a great. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! I told you red is always the wrong one. Always
Am I
wrong.
walking weird?
No. What happens? I love it!
What?
Oh, look at your thick body! Look at her thick body. I like this big head better than the thick body. You got thick. You thick, man. I love my big head. Oh. I'm terrible at this. Yay!
So fat.
Did you just say oops?
So fat. I don't understand.
Oh no.
Oops, I did it again. You're glitched.
None of us are going to make a score.
Just go this way.
Yeah. Bye. We suck at this. We suck. No one scored. Oops, I did. Wait, the train's possessing me. Okay. Get away from the tornado. Did you just get sucked up? I'm sorry. I died. Oh, at least my big head's gone. I kind of like the big head though. We don't fight no more. I'm not big. I got no big head anymore. Oh God. Another button on the fire, quick, get the extinguisher before it explodes. I'm gonna save the world. Like, I'm gonna, how do you get this?
Oops, I have a speed coin.
Yeah, I did it.
I just want a speed coin.
Yay. Gotta, like, estimate. I have a table. I'm raging.
Your face.
I love it.
I have a table too.
Really? We both screaming, man. Oh my, oh my god! We all just fell for that. Oh. Imp, are you big again? Oh. The train. I'm gonna make it. I made it!
I was going into the
Why?
I press it.
Following new victory royale.
This is a Fortnite.
Oh my god! This is violent. Should this be even on YouTube? Look at the girl. My face, I love it. It's back. Yay, I've made it. Oh, that's actually not fair. I spawned right on it. Oh god. I almost just fell.
Oh, I did not have my face.
Mm. Um,
Let me press it. No, let me press it. Easy. That's me.
I'll let you do it next time.
Ah.
Nice. Press it. Oh. The slide!
Have you ever been on this?
Yeah.
I don't trust it.
I'm getting eaten. I'm going through a black hole, let's just call it. And I'm dead. Oops, I did it again. Press it. Fine, I'll press it.
I'm bad at this one.
Me too. I actually.
This is hard. What? That was hard.
Mhm. We're talking to the buildings, aren't we?
Yeah. Oh!
Girl, you almost ripped off that.
I have a coil, and a faster.
How did you die again?
Because I
I run it into the laser. This time, do not. Yay. I got the table again. I'm gonna glitch. You didn't actually glitch, but that was nice. Yeah, I did because I'm floating in the sky. That stupid table kept me there. I'm gonna explode. Well, we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, subscribe, and while you're at it, make sure you hit the bell. Bye!